Hello my wonderful people, how is everyone doing? Guess you guys are doing so great. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing this banana chin chin. Yes, you heard me right, banana chin chin. On the table I have what I'll use to make our banana chin chin. I have my flour there, I have some bananas, sugar, dry Cameroon pepper, butter, milk, vanilla, egg, baking powder and nutmeg. That is what we use for our banana chin chin. First of all, I'll just crack in the egg and add in some milk in my blender. Then I'll take the number of bananas I want. I'll blend. But you can mash your banana if you don't have blender. I'm blending the banana because I don't want to have any trace of it as in lumps in the batter. That is why I want to blend it. So now guys, I'll take like 2 fingers of banana, take them off, the skin off, peel, then I'll add into the blender. Guys, if you try this at home, you will so enjoy it. These bananas are so tiny, so I'm going to be using 3 fingers of banana. If you are making more of this, you can now adjust the requirements here. So now I have 3 fingers of banana in here. I'll crack in the egg. I'm using just 1 egg. Then I'll add in some of the milk. So I'll take over to my blender. So this is what we have here now. I'll take over to the blender and then I'll blend. This is what we have here. So guys, I'm done blending. So this is what I have in here. So right now I'll add all the dry ingredients. We're using 3 cups of flour. So I'll measure the 3 cups of flour in here. Always sieve your flour, like I said, always sieve because of ants or weevil or any particles that might be in the bag. So I'll be adding 3 cups here, and your 3 cups should be leveled. Everything is well combined now. Then I'll add my butter. I'll be using 100 grams of butter. After adding the butter, you now use your hand, you wash your hand thoroughly, then now use your hand to mix and get something like breadcrumbs. Wash my hands now and let me make my hand dirty. Just start rubbing it in like this. When you are done, you can now add the wet ingredients. You have to blend everything well, because if the butter is not well incorporated, by the time you are rolling out the dough, you start seeing the particles of the butter. So that is why you have to allow everything to enter in very well. So guys, this is done. I'll now add in the wet ingredients now, which is the blended banana and milk and egg. We have to add gradually so that you don't add too much at once. So I'll just start adding it gradually. somebody like me, I don't really like bananas, so this is the only way I can take it very well, by blending, because I don't have to see the particles of banana in here. After making this banana chin chin, you have to put in the fridge or in the freezer to preserve it because of the banana, so it doesn't go bad. So I've added all the banana now, the banana mixture. Then I'll add the remaining milk. You have to mix all this until it stops sticking to your finger. Then I'll add some vanilla essence. I'll be using half teaspoon, so I don't take out all the flavor from the banana. Or if you like, you can add banana flavor, but I'm adding vanilla. So you have to keep kneading until it stops sticking to the plates and to your hand. If it's still sticking, you can add in some more flour to take them out. That means you'll be using more than 3 cups. I'll just be adding some more flour so it won't stick. Maybe like 2 tablespoons of flour. I'll be adding more to take it out from my hand and from the plate. Is to keep it and allow it to rest for 5 minutes before I now start rolling out the cut. So guys, this is after 10 minutes that the dough rested. I'll now sprinkle some flour on my work surface, then I will now roll out. So I'll just cut it into 2 first, so it will not be so difficult for me to roll out. And at this point, you can roll to any shape, any size that you want. But I'm going to be rolling it so thinly so I can get a good result, so that it will be so crunchy. Because if you roll out too fast, it just soaks in all the oil and it becomes so puffy as if air has entered it. So I'm going to be rolling it out so thinly. I think I'm done now. I can start cutting. This is the shape I want to cut this chin chin. You can use your knife to cut if you're not used to using this pizza cutter. Anyone that is so fast for you, you can use. So I'm cutting this shape. So this is the shape I'm cutting this one. So I'll now go over to the gas cooker. Let me turn on the heat so that we'll start frying. So you can actually use it to start a business if you want to, or if you are a stay-at-home mom, you can do it for business, for friends, for family, to snack on and to put in your children's lunch box when they are going to school so they can snack on this. So guys, over to my gas cooker. Let me start frying. The oil is hot now. You can see I put one strand in there. So now the oil is also is hot now. So I'll start adding the cut chin chin. When you add them, you have to stir very well so that those that are stuck together will disentangle. Don't put too much of it at a time. If you do, you start soaking oil. So just allow them to fry until they are golden brown. Then we know they are okay. I'll take them out of the oil and then place in kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil. My people, this is what we have. If you are liking what you are seeing, please hit the like button, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, turn on your bell so you can get notification. Keep sharing, and keep sharing. So at this moment now, I'm going to take them out of the oil and then I'll add the other batch. Wow, you can see, you can hear the crum crum crum. You can see how crunchy it's sounding. The face of this chin chin is looking so fine. So I'm adding the other batch. My people, see the other design I cut. Like I said, you can cut into any shape that you want. So this is it, and it's almost done now. I'll take them out, and guys, we are done. This is our banana crunchy chin chin. Start a business, make for your friends, for your family, for entertainment, anyone you want to do. But I tell you, you will not regret it. So at this point, I'm going to take them out of the oil. Wow, see how crunchy it sounds. Crunchy, chrome, 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 chrome. Are you guys hearing that? So this is the banana chin chin. You can try yours and let me know how it came out in the comment section. I'll leave the quantity and the ingredients in the description section for you to see. And if you want to increase your quantity, that means you have to increase your ingredients too if you want to make more. So guys, this is what we have here now. I'm just enjoying it. If I don't take time now, just finish everything I want. No, but I have to keep some. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.